Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the prompt alert using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. This is our web page, and here we are going to click on this show button, and here we need to enter any name and click either OK or cancel button. So let's see how to write the script for this. First copy this URL and launch the web page. Go to your Visual Studio Code and launch the web browser. iWebDriver driver equal to new, launch the Firefox browser. So Firefox driver. Then open the web page. Driver dot navigate of dot go to URL. Here open bracket, insert double quotes, paste the web page. Now the next step is we need to click on this button. So we need to identify this button element. Right click from this button, go to inspect. So this is the button element, and here we have ID. Copy this ID value and we can identify this button element by using this ID. So write driver dot find element by dot ID and open bracket, insert double quotes, paste the ID value. Now put a semicolon here and store this in a web element. iWeb element, here give any name, prompt button. Now we need to click on that button. So this variable name dot click. Now the button will be clicked. So the next step is click on that button and we need to enter any name in this text box. So for that we can use the send key function. So go back to your script. So before that we need to, now the control is in the parent web page. Now we need to transfer this control from this parent web page to this alert text box. So for that we need to use iAlert interface. So iAlert prompt alert, you can give any name here, equal to driver dot switch to. We are transferring the control to that alert box. Now we can pass the text in the text box. So prompt alert dot send keys. Here we can pass the text which we need to insert in the text box. Now let's run the script. Now you can see the button is clicked and the text is entered in this text box. Now we need to click on this OK button or cancel button. So let's see how to write the script for this. So as I mentioned in my previous video, to click on the OK button in the alert box, we have a function called accept. So prompt alert dot accept of. So this will click on the OK button. So here we can add a delay. Otherwise the script is executing very fast. We will not be able to understand what is happening. We can add a delay of 5 seconds. Now let's run the script again. Now after 5 seconds the text will be entered in the text box. And now OK button is also clicked. So if you want to click on the cancel button, we have a function called dismiss. So we need to write prompt alert dot dismiss. So this will click on the cancel button. So let me explain the script again. So first we need to launch the web browser, then open the web page. Now identify the button element, so which will open the alert prompt alert text box. Then click on that click on that button. Now we need to transfer the control from the web page to that alert box. Now we are adding a delay. Now we need to pass the text to that text box using the send keys function. Now we need to click on the OK button. If you want to click on the cancel button, we can use this. You can comment this line and we can use this dismiss off function. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.